Assalamualaikum. Hello, good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are fine by the grace of the Almighty. We all are going to have a very interesting class today. Wow, it seems you all are feeling very excited about today's class. That's good. Okay, now in pairs, all of you will guess what topics are we going to study today. In today's class, we will try to learn the target language English through real-life communicative setting. Let's see what is our first topic. Our first topic is an interesting picture strip story on honesty. Look at the following pictures of the picture strip story. The pictures of this picture strip story are not in order. Now all of you will work in pairs and firstly put the pictures in order by placing numbers in the small corner boxes, and then discussing with your pair you will write few sentences to accompany the pictures. Have you completed your task? Okay, now one member of each pairs will share the story with other pairs in the class and then tell why is it important to be honest and to forgive others. Excellent. All of you came up with many good ideas. Our next topic is on a weather report. First, let me distribute each of you the weather report of the Daily Star, which is a renowned English newspaper in Bangladesh. We all know that. Now, all of you have to work individually. Read the weather report and underline the reporter's prediction. Are you all done? Very good. Now, all of you will try to state the reporter's prediction in different words. After this, you will discuss in group and share practical tips on how to prepare for this kind of catastrophe. Very good effort. Most of you have correctly stated the reporter's predictions in different words, and I am really glad to listen all of your practical tips regarding the preparation of the catastrophe. Okay, now let us move on to our next activity, which is scrambled sentences. Here you can see 5 scrambled sentences are given. In a scrambled sentence, the words of the sentence are not in the correct order. That means subject, verb and object of the sentence are not in the sequence or order. And the cohesion and coherence properties of sentences are violated. That means not maintained. Now all of you will work individually and unscramble the sentences shown on screen. That is, build sentences by arranging the words in the correct order, maintaining the cohesion and coherence properties of the sentences. If you face any problem, then ask me. Are you all done? That's great. You all are correct. Now let us work on the last interesting topic of today's class. Have you all received the role play cards? Notice the different rules mentioned in the cards according to the context. Now I want to divide the class into small groups, and these groups will perform the different rules according to the rules and context mentioned in the cards. These role play activities will help you to practice communicating in different social context and in different social rules. Excellent. You all have performed well. That's the end of our today's class. So what have we learned from today's class? We have learned to figure out the speaker's or writer's intentions, create variety of linguistic forms, then learned cohesion and coherence properties of sentences. After that, from role play activities, we have learned how to communicate in different social context, in different social rules. I hope you all enjoyed today's class. Finally, we have an interesting homework. You all have to listen to an English debate on the radio, or you can watch it on television. This is your homework. In the beginning of the next class, I will hear from everyone what have you learned listening or watching the debate. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next class. Goodbye, everyone.